Top 10 signs that you're not in the right circle of friends. Minsan, di mo napapansin pero you're not in the right circle of friends. Because familiarity can make unhealthy dynamics feel na parang normal. Akala mo friendship pa rin, pero deep inside, you often feel drained, unseen, or emotionally unsafe after mo sila makasama. If you keep questioning your peace after being around certain people, yung feeling na yan, baka may sinasabi na sa'yo. According to psychology, your nervous system responds to your social environment. The right circle feels regulating, the wrong one often feels draining. Here are 10 subtle signs to notice. Number 1, you feel more anxious than relaxed. Your body parang laging on edge imbis na at ease. Number 2, you can't fully be yourself. Pinifilter mo na yung words mo para hindi ka nila i-judge. Number 3, you often feel compared or judged. Yung mga interaction mo sa kanila, nagiging pressure imbis na you feel safe. Okay, number 4, your wins feel minimized. Pag meron kang win, parang kulang yung support nila sa'yo. Number 5, boundaries are not respected. Yung limits mo, ini-ignore nila or pinapawalang bahala. Number 6, you feel drained after spending time together. Yung energy mo, bumababa imbis na ma-restore. Number 7, there's constant negativity or gossip. Yung environment feels mabigat, tsaka tense. 8, you feel like kailangan mong improve palagi yung sarili mo. Yung connection nyo parang may condition palagi. Number 9, you're not growing. Nagko-cope ka lang. Yung space does not support your development. And number 10, you feel lonely kahit nakasama mo sila. Nandyan yung presence nila pero parang kulang yung connection. Hindi lahat ng friendship are meant to stay. Okay lang na ma-outgrow mo yung mga tao na hindi na naka-align sa peace at well-being mo. Yung kaya mong maging totoo, hindi yung kailangan mong mag-adjust palagi. Hindi selfish ang pumili ng tamang circle of friends. Part ito ng iyong self-care. This is Dina saying, your environment shapes your energy more than you think. For more guidance on emotional boundaries, healthy relationships, and mental well-being, click the link on my bio or visit dinasalonga.com.
Ask Dina.